What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Kava, which today is very bullish. I think in the last few hours we had a pretty big spike. Let's see if it's true. Yeah, I mean, no, over the course of today we have been pretty bullish, and the volume is going up nicely as well. 45 million right now compared to the market cap. That's great. So I just wanted to do a mainly technical analysis, because the fact is that I don't know a whole lot about Kava. I've covered it before. I know of its existence, obviously, but I don't know a lot about it. And one thing I especially don't know is why we have been in a huge downtrend ever since the drop of FTX. To my knowledge, FTX Ventures or Alameda Research was not an investor of Kava. So ever since, we've just been in this big downtrend, which it would be oblivious of me to say that not other cryptos have had this as well, but it leads me to believe that there's a little bit more going on, and I don't know about that. So if you know about that, let me know and I'll pin your comments. But that's why this is mostly a technical analysis. Now, what we can say is that we have found a significant support level, which is this level around 50 cents, which we have reached. 50 cents is obviously a very strong psychological support level. So there's some foundation for why we would be bullish, at least initially. And then what we did, or at least what we're trying to do, is you can see this major resistance level between, well, ultimately 60 and 62 cents. And we're trying to break above that. We haven't closed above that, so we haven't technically broken above that yet. In about 13 minutes, this candle will close, but this video will not take that long. And apart from that, I think it's needed that I tell you about this. What I usually do is when I take a look at cryptos that have moves like these, where the volume goes up a lot and it's fairly bullish. I mean, 16% for a top 100 token is quite a lot. Usually what I do is I check out the sources of the volume. And that worries me a little bit, to be honest. I mean, BingX, not an incredible source, but usually when a lot of volume comes from there, there's some sort of manipulation going on. And then especially with volume from Korea, nothing wrong with Korea, but if a lot of volume is coming from there, usually the price is manipulated, all right? And what you have to expect then with manipulation is that, yes, sure, we can go up even more, but at some point we're going to crash, all right? So for me personally, what the thing right now is that if we can actually break above this level between 62 and 60 cents and confirm it, so get a support touch off of that level, I actually do think we're going up to 68 and 70 cents. I think that's possible. I mean, even when a coin is a little bit manipulated, which Kava definitely is, it's a 100% valid and reliable and real project, but there's some manipulation in the price. So if we can break above 62 and 60 cents and can get that confirmed by getting a break retest, then I think we're going up to 68 and 70 cents. But at this point of time, I have to be honest with you, we just hit a major resistance level with this 382 fib here, that blue line, and the 100 EMA. I think it's a little bit more likely that sure, we will break above 60 and 62 cents, but I don't think it will hold as a support. And I think we'll break through that, find some support at 58 cents, but then slowly start dropping back down to 55, 52 and to 50 cents. I think that's more likely, even though I know the market circumstances right now are, well, not the worst compared to the last few weeks, but for Kava, it just, I do think 50 cents will hold. So maybe we will not drop this low, but I don't think we can get that bullish breakout and really get up to 68 and 70 cents. I mean, it's possible. I just don't think it's the most likely scenario. All right, so that's my take on Kava for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.